Welding is the joining of two metals. There are different types of welding techniques you can use to achieve a strong weld. The method you use depends on what sort of welder you have access to and your skill set. Stick welding, also known as shielded metal arc welding, has been the dominant method of welding for years. Stick welding involves a metal stick or electrode that is charged to create a high-temperature arc. The welding stick and the metal form joints through an electric current. Although other types of welding, such as metal inert gas or MIG, have grown in popularity, stick welding remains one of the most used forms because of how user-friendly it is. There are several welding projects you can tackle as a beginner welder or even as an experienced one. Hello dear viewers, welcome to our channel. Today we have brought to you another collection of welding project ideas for beginners for your inspiration. You can use these designs to try to make your own pieces at home. Watch the video until the end to never miss a thing and choose an inspiring design for your next project. You can even turn these plans or designs into a lucrative small-scale manufacturing business with a small initial investment on basic tools and materials. If you are new to the channel and if you like what you see, please consider subscribing to the channel and smash the notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, like and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. If you are already a subscribed member, please like and share this video so that it could reach a wide range of audience. Arc welding or stick welding provides an unmatched experience to several welders worldwide. It is widely used by people of different economic status and skill level. From ranch owners to home shop welders and everything in between, stick welding is a popular choice. This is due to several reasons. Let's look at some of the advantages of stick welding which have made it the most popular form of welding in the world. The first benefit of stick welding is its cost effectiveness. Stick welding doesn't require many tools. Welders only need to have leads wherever the weld needs to be done. This makes the equipment much more affordable. It is also extremely easy to change or replace rods to weld specific types of metal. Compared to even the most basic MIG welding tools, stick welding is significantly less expensive to operate and maintain. In addition, no shielding gas is required when using stick welding. When air gets into the arc during a weld, air bubbles form in the molten metal, creating a weak and unappealing weld. One of the most prominent benefits to stick welding is that no shielding gas is required. Unlike TIG or MIG welders, stick welders don't need to worry about carrying around cylinders of shielding gas. The electrodes from stick welding generate their own shielding gas, as the arc burns off the coating. The flux coating on the electrode disintegrates during the welding process, which emits vapors that protect the weld from atmospheric contamination. Stick welding also works in various locations. Any welder can understand how significant environmental factors can be. When MIG welding, as little as 3 miles per hour wind will be enough to blow your shielding glass away and produce porosity. Fortunately, the wind does not affect the weld pool in stick welding. This allows for welders to be able to perform simple outdoor welding tasks easily, such as fixing a fence, or a rancher to tweak a piece on his tractor. Additionally, welders can take stick welding indoors and complete a project in confined spaces. Stick welding can be used on a wide variety of metals. This allows for many projects to be done through this form of welding. Welders can incorporate metals such as steel, iron, aluminum, copper, and nickel. Stick welding also allows for an array of electrode choices, meaning welders have plenty of application choices to create. This can be anything from smooth welds, greater penetration, burning rust, downhill welding, and much more. As a stick welder, more efficiency and skill are required, but the results are worth it. These benefits are the reason why stick welding has remained a prominent method in welding. You don't need to be a welding professional to take advantage of stick welding. Having a welder generator allows you to take your projects anywhere. It is ideal for construction sites, ranches, or any job that requires welding off the grid. Well, dear viewers, as you can see in the video, we have compiled a number of interesting welding project ideas for beginners. Which one is your favorite and why? Let us know in the comments section. By now you know that our channel is full of inspiring videos which you can use in your projects from time to time. If you like our content, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, like and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. Thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.